Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Bifrost wallet application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device. And once you open it up, go ahead and tap on the search box and simply type in Bifrost wallet and start the search. Once your search is started, you will be able to locate the Bifrost wallet application from this icon. Go ahead and tap on this icon and now you will be taken into the application page where you will see the install button. Go ahead and tap on install and this will begin the download and installation of the Bifrost wallet application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and once it is done you will be able to tap on the open button to open up the Bifrost wallet application on your device. Once the application is opened up, you can proceed with signing up to create a new account or logging into your existing account to start using Bifrost wallet right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Bifrost wallet application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.